I brought my car into Excellency Auto Detailing, and I brought it in pretty rough shape. The car had some really significant mildew, mold issues, some smells, all from the leak that was in the car.
So we're doing this mold job, but when we disinfect this floorboard, there's more to the mold. There's some mouse poop back here and roaches, dead roaches, probably some live ones too. So yeah, it's quite a lot to clean up. So in addition to the bugs, there's nesting going on in the trunk area. She's been shampooing this for over an hour, and it's still coming out dark. That's how much stuff was inside of it. So we had to go and disinfect the floorboard, but because it had bugs in here too, we had to also take another step and we bombed the car out for the bugs. So now we're going to go ahead and start putting it back together. The floorboard is disinfected and clean. So yeah. So it's the last day on this project where we had one of the worst possible scenarios. We start off as a mold job. As we ripped it out, we found more than we could bargain for, and yeah, we had to do some major operations for this one. This is the last seat to be shampooed, disinfected, debugged. So yeah, this is our final round in the battle of the Honda.
I brought my car into Excellency Auto Detailing, and I brought it in pretty rough shape. I gave them a call because I bought a new car, and within a few weeks of owning it, I realized with the big heavy rains that it had a really significant leak. So I called Excellency Auto Beauty, and they routed me to an amazing body shop to get the leak repaired first, and then told me to come back once that was done. So I brought the car back because the car had some really significant mildew, mold issues, some smells, all from the leak that was in the car. So I brought it in for them to do a really extensive mold treatment so that the car would be safe for me to drive. While they were in there, they found evidence that the car probably had a history of pests living in and close to the car, probably no doubt related to the leak as well. And they basically tore my whole car apart and put it back together. It looks brand new, it smells brand new, it's way safer for me to drive. So I can't thank them enough for helping me get the leak fixed in the first place, and then making the car safe for me to drive. So thanks so much, Excellency. Really appreciate it. Excellency Auto Beauty.
Excellency. Auto Beauty.